Hello student, Sai Ram student. Let us revise whatever we have learned so far. So let's start. First, write the full form of BSF. Write the full form of BSF. And the answer is Border Security Force. Okay. Next, which instruments used to test the purity of milk? Which instruments used to test the purity of milk? And the answer is lactometer. Okay, student. Next, which is the purest form of water? And the answer is rain water. Okay. Next, sign language for narrow bridge ahead. Sign language for narrow bridge ahead. Which sign language? Tell me, student. Here. Okay. Next, the cause of difficulty in breathing. The answer is asthma. Okay. Next, a room on a ship. The answer is cabin. Okay. Next, the first invention of aeroplane. The first invention of aeroplane. The answer is Wright brothers. Okay. Next, who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Who said Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it? Who said? Lokmanya Tilak. Okay. Next, what is celebrated on 5th September? And the answer is Teachers' Day. Okay. Next, the first president of the India. The first president of the India. And the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Okay, student. Next, who said Aram haram hai? Who said Aram haram hai? The answer is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Next, what is celebrated on 7 December? The answer is Flag Day. Okay, student. Next, which is the largest state in India? And the answer is Rajasthan. Okay. Next, write the full form of WWW. And the answer is World Wide Web. Okay. Okay, student. Next, the author of the book Malgudi Days. The author of the book Malgudi Days. And the answer is R.K. Narayan. Okay. Next, which instrument used to reproduce sound? And the answer is phonograph. Okay, student. Next, the Aga Khana Cup is associated with which sport? And the answer is hockey. Okay, student. Next, who discovered that the earth moved around the sun? And the answer is Galileo. Okay, student. Next, the female Aedes mosquito can cause. The female Aedes mosquito can cause, and the answer is dengue. Okay, student. Next, a green area in a desert where water may be found. A green area in a desert where water may be found. And the answer is oasis. Okay, student. Thank you. Bye. Take care.